DevOps Engineer Interview Questions, Best of 2024. DevOps is probably the most widely used term in technology today, despite the fact that it encompasses much more.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Than Buzz. It is a collaboration between the turn of events and task groups in which they work together to deliver an object more quickly and efficiently.
List of top DevOps engineer interview questions. Regardless, the job market is extremely competitive, and the questions posed during a DevOps engineer interview will cover a wide variety of research topics. If you've started planning for advancement and role employment in the IT industry, you're aware that it's a challenging area that requires genuine preparation to join. Basic DevOps engineer interview questions. 1. Define what DevOps is. It is a relatively new concept in the information technology field that refers to a type of training that emphasizes the organized effort and communication between programming engineers and the deployment, operations, community. It is focused on delivering programming items more quickly and lowering the rate of delivery failures. 2. Mention the primary viewpoints or guiding principles underlying DevOps. The fundamental tenets or standards underlying DevOps are as follows. Times framework as source code. Times consistent transmission. Times automation. Times observation. Times safety. 3. What are the primary activities of DevOps in terms of application development and infrastructure? The primary activities of DevOps are as follows. Times advancement of applications. Times code development. Times inclusion of codes. Times testing of individual units. Times compilation. Times transmitting. Times structure. Times premise player substitute. Times procurement. Times style. Times organizing. Times transmitting. 4. How is framework code created and executed in AWS? Within AWS, times the framework's code will be written in a simple JSON format. Times this JSON code will be organized into files referred to as formats. Times these formats can be distributed via AWS DevOps and then monitored as stacks. Times subsequently, the CloudFormation administration will perform the stacks development, erasure, and refresh operations. 5. What scripting language is particularly useful for a DevOps engineer? A simpler scripting language is preferable for a DevOps engineer. Python is, by all accounts, widely used. 6. How is DevOps beneficial to designers? DevOps can assist designers in quickly resolving bugs and implementing new highlights. Additionally, it facilitates more precise communication between colleagues. 7. Can you name a few common DevOps tools? Several of the most common devices for DevOps are Times J, Jenkins, Times Nginx, Times Observe, Times Elks, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, Times Docker Incorporated, Times Appropriate, Times Acquire. 8. What types of HTTP requests are there? The various types of HTTP requests are as follows. Times Obtain, Times Health, Times Insert, Times Posting, Times Write, Times Delete, Times Adhere to, Times Interaction, Times Various Alternatives. 9. The components of DevOps are critical. The primary segments of DevOps are as follows. Times Sustaining Integration, Times Constant Testing, Times Reliable Delivery, Times Constant Monitoring. 10. Indicate a few cloud platforms that are commonly used for DevOps implementation. The most frequently used cloud registration stage for DevOps execution is Times Google Cloud Platform, Times AWS Web Services, Times Azure by Microsoft. 11. Describe a couple of the benefits of using a version control system. Colleagues can collaborate freely on any document at any time using the variant control system. All previous forms and variations are securely stored inside the VCS. A conveyed VCS, for example, enables you to store the entire history of the job so that in the event of a failure in the primary worker, you can use your colleague's nearby Git vault. Permits you to determine which improvements have been made to the document's content. 12. Justify Git bisect. Using double pursuit, Git divide assists you in locating the submit that contained the bug. Experienced DevOps engineer interview questions. 13. What is the structure? A type is a technique for assembling source code to determine if it compiles as a single entity. The source code will be gathered, investigated, tested, and organized during the form development process. 14. What exactly is Puppet? Puppet is a beneficial venture for executives. It assists you in automating organizational tasks. 15. Explanation of two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is a security technique in which the client provides two distinct methods of identification based on discrete classifications. 16. Explanation of the expression canary release. A canary delivery is an illustration that mitigates the risk of introducing another adaptation program into the development climate. It is completed by restricting access to it to a subset of the client, prior to making it available to the entire client population. 17. How is PTR used in DNS? The pointer record, abbreviated as PTR, is used for switch DNS queries. 18. What exactly is a chef? It is an amazing stage of robotization in which the foundation is converted to code. This device allows you to use compose contents to automate steps. 19. What are the prerequisites for DevOps execution? The following are critical criteria for implementing DevOps. Correspondence between colleagues that is legitimate. Automated testing. Automation of the company. 20. Indicate certain recommended protocols that must be followed in order to achieve DevOps success. The following are widely known protocols for DevOps execution. The pace of conveyance refers to the time required for any endeavor to enter the production environment. Keep track of the amount of deformities discovered in various. It is important to measure the actual or average time required to recover in the event of a disappointment in the development atmosphere. 21. Explanation of the subgit device. Subgit aids you in migrating from SVN to Git. Additionally, it enables you to build a writable Git mirror of a nearby or remote Subversion repository. 22. Mention a few major organization-wide auditing instruments. Several of the most noticeable organization checking instruments include the following: Sprout, iSingano, 2, Wireshark Andam, NGINX, the OpenNMS. 23. How will you know if your video card is capable of running Unity? When you use a command. Usr lib Linux Unity support testp Usr lib Linux Unity support testp. It will include detailed information about Unity's requirements, and assuming they are met, your video card will be able to run Solidarity.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.